What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. You feel me? Today I'm feeling great, bro. Super energized. So I want to try and do something different today. I want to try and sample something because it's been a minute since we sampled on this channel. So I already got a couple of ideas in mind. I got 3 samples right here. So for this one right here, I want just like the drums. Your eyes are on. And then I got this song right here from Arc Patrol. This really hit my soul, this melody. So I just want to take the melody from this song. Tumble out of bed, dizzy in the head. So in order to do this, we need like some kind of service that allows you to like extract the melody or the drums from the beat. Luckily, there's this website called lala.ai that allows you to like split vocals from instrumental tracks, but not only vocals, also like guitar, bass, drums and stuff. So which is super fire. Try it out for yourself if you're interested in sampling. Make sure to click the link in the description. They got like a free 10-minute pack for you to test out and a referral program, which is super awesome because you get free credits when your friend tries out Lala. So make sure to go check it out. Super fire. Okay, so right here I'm going to start off with the drums. So like the website is pretty straightforward, so I'm going to load up the sound right here. So as you can see, it just like extracted the drums from the song. So let's just see how this sounds. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. Like, it's so clean how it just like took the drums from the song. Is just like super clean. Right now, let's just like try to split the synth from the Arc Patrol song. So upload that, and as you can see, super fast. Jeez, let's go. Tumble out of bed, and this is just like the vocals. Dizzy in the head. Okay, we might just like use those vocals as well, just for like some vocal chops in there maybe. So we just need that first part from the synth. Let me make sure this is on tempo. Right, let's just add these drums in there, and then I'm going to add like some counter melodies in there as well. This is not the final beat though. We're going to go crazy. Ooh, wait a minute. This bounce gonna be crazy. Hey, bro. Hey, whoa. This is something. Alright, let's add some counter melodies because I love the bounce. I love where this is going, but it just needs like some more counter melodies. there's like one part in the song where the vocal goes like,
but you're just an animal.
and then just like the drop comes, so I just want to use like that little part. You're just an animal. You're just an animal. You're just an animal. Alright, let's take a listen. So right here, just like a little intro. Then we got like the bridge right here, and then the hook just right here, and then like an extra hook, like part of the hook, and just like a little breakdown, and then it goes back into the hook. Like it's just like you can do whatever with the beat, just go crazy, you feel me? It's like vibes. This beat is absolutely insane, bro. Wow, this beat got me so inspired, bro. It's crazy. Like, I really hope you learned from this and enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at gunna. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.